Temperature measurements. In a school laboratory, to measure temperature, we frequently use liquid in glass thermometer, digital thermometer like resistance thermometer, and thermocouple thermometer. Liquid in glass thermometers are the most common device to measure temperature in a school laboratory. Mercury or colored organic liquid is used in this type of thermometer. Main problem of this thermometer is the accuracy. Readings vary commonly up to plus minus 3 degrees Celsius. Thermistor thermometer and thermocouple thermometer are used as digital thermometer. Thermocouple thermometer is very sensitive and has the widest range of minus 200 to 1800 degrees Celsius. These thermometers, this two has mercury within it, and it has colored alcohol, so it looks reddish. This is called bulb, thermometer bulbs. These are bulbs containing liquids which expands when come to in contact with hot objects. Expanding length proportional to the rise in temperature. There are two digital thermometers are shown on the left. One is Thermistor thermometer with a range of minus 30 to 110 degrees Celsius. This is Thermistor thermometer. Its sensor is this metal sensor having thermistor inside the metal sensor. And this is another thermometer or multimeter basically, which has capability to measure temperature by using thermocouple sensor. This is here is thermocouple sensor. Its range is wide range minus 40 to 1000 degrees Celsius. Here we see these 2 meters reads, this reads 31 degrees Celsius and this reads 31.4 degrees Celsius. So these readings are very close. There is another handmade Thermistor thermometer. This is Thermistor connected with this analog circuit. Electrical measurements. In a school laboratory, multimeters are used to measure current, voltage, resistance, and power. These are the multimeters. Multimeters, there is a knob which is used to select voltage, current, resistance. Okay, by selecting different options, we can measure voltage, resistance, current, power, etc. There are some multimeters which have some advanced capabilities like this. It can measure capacitance, frequency of alternate current, and temperature. Here in the picture of the on the left, different types of variable and fixed resistors are shown here. Variable resistor, this is variable resistor, this is variable resistor, these are variable resistor, and these are fixed resistors. These are called carbon resistor, these are ceramic resistors. Okay. Here are some capacitors, different types of capacitors. These are electrolytic capacitors. These are called PF or picofarad capacitor. Their capacitance is very small in picofarad range. That's why these are called PF. There are some other types of capacitors here. These are thermistors. Its resistance changes with the change in temperature. These are diodes. These are LDRs. Diodes is a this is negative band. This is a LED light emitting diode when current passes through these diodes, they emit light. These two emit red lights, and this is green light. And these are Zener diodes used to keep voltage fixed. These are LDR light dependent resistors. When light changes, then its resistance changes. At high light, its resistance is low. When low light, resistance is high. So these are light sensors, these are heat sensor, and these are used diodes, capacitors, resistors to process electrical flow and voltages. So now we are at the end of this chapter. Some glossary. We need to know these terms. These terms are important to know. Accuracy. Accuracy means how much a reading or measurement is close to the accurate value. So this is closeness between the accurate value and the measured value. Calibration. Calibration is the relating between displayed quantity and measured quantity. What is displayed quantity? Physical quantity a measuring device displays. The measuring device is made to display this quantity. And measured quantity, the meter which measures physical quantity a measuring device measures, okay, is the measured quantity. Like thermometer, thermal expansion or length is the measured quantity and temperature is the displayed quantity. Like in resistance thermometer, measured quantity is resistance and display quantity is temperature. In thermocouple thermometer, measured quantity is thermo EMF and displayed quantity is temperature. Law. Law is experimentally verified, generally applicable theory. It's called law. Random error, varying error in measurements due to the natural variations. Range. This is the difference between the minimum and maximum accurate measurement taken by an instrument. Resolution. This is the minimum accurate measurement taken by a measuring device. Systematic error. Constant error present with all measurements. Theory. What is theory? What is a theory? Ideas intended to explain facts or events. Okay. Any idea which can explain physical phenomena can be called theory. Uncertainty. This is the probability of not getting the stated value of the measurement while measuring next time. We are taking a measurement and we are writing the value of the measurement. If we